The idea for National FinTech Day came about when we were trying to brainstorm on how we could showcase the bank's financial technology to all of our customers.
And we thought, what better way to showcase that than to have a huge event on National FinTech Day?
Turns out it didn't exist.
After a little bit of research, we actually found out that there was no such thing as National FinTech Day.
There's National Blueberry Pancake Day, there's National Bubblegum Day, but no National FinTech Day. So we set out to create National FinTech Day.
So today, here at our main office in Somerset, at Somerset Trust, we have a fantastic technology fair going on.
We've invited our shareholders, our board of directors, our customers, our community to come and see what we're all about and see all the really great financial technology that we have. Financial technology would be the things you probably use every day, such as your online banking, your bill pay. You can deposit a check by taking a picture. You can pay your bills by taking a picture.
We have vendors from all over the United States here today, showcasing different kinds of technology. For instance, Malazai is here from Texas, and they work with us to create our online banking app.
We also have GZO here, which is our personal financial management tool.
We have AudioEye here today, and what they do is they work with our website to make it ADA compliant.
We have what's called digital onboarding, where when we have a new customer, we send them what we call a journey. It's essentially an email or a text that walks the customer through adopting additional products and services such as online banking or bill pay.
We also have a lot of local people here that are showcasing some of the technology that they use in their business,
such as the robotic doges. It's a local robotics team, some high school kids. They have some really great stuff in there. I saw the robots picking up boxes and moving stuff around, something you wouldn't normally get to see.
Top Dog Productions is here with his Magic Mirror digital selfie experience.
We also have our own virtual reality machines, so you can ride a roller coaster, take a trip around the world, all from within our tent.
We have the Jennerstown Speedway here with their virtual reality pace car.
There's a graffiti wall, a digital graffiti wall, where you can paint with a digital spray can, take your picture, write all over it. It's really fun.
We have people walking in off the street and leaving, seeing a 3D printer, utilizing virtual reality, all kinds of things that they might not have ever gotten to experience otherwise. And we're really excited to give that to people today.
Honestly, I am blown away by the excitement at today's event. I had no idea what to expect, and I have to say I am pleasantly surprised. To see the institution open this particular day to its community and watch the community members come in and get engaged in what's going on. I mean, we have a DeLorean here, for crying out loud. So to see that, to have the food trucks, to see the kids and their parents and grandparents interacting and really taking part in what's going on, it's been incredible.
We'd like to see this technology fair continue and every year make it a little bit different and better and special.
And the planning for that, I guess, will start tomorrow, because in true Somerset Trust fashion, we always want it to be bigger and better than the year before.